How to fix Facebook video no sound problem. So if you want to fix Facebook video no sound problem, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down, go with settings and privacy, and tap on setting. Now under settings you need to scroll down, and under preferences you will have media option. Tap on media. Once you tap on media here, if you've turned on your data saver, then you just need to simply go and turn it off and select optimized, and you will have an option of video start with sound. So you need to go and turn this on, and that's it. Now you can go and restart your Facebook or your device, and it will fix your Facebook video no sound problem. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.